This is the brief on the science and ethics of chasing immortality. So, thanks to huge leaps in things like genomic sequencing and AI, science is really starting to redefine aging. We're no longer thinking of it as this inevitable fate. It's becoming more of a technical problem, something that we might be able to postpone indefinitely, or maybe even reverse. Okay, so first, what's the big target here? It's achieving something called longevity escape velocity, or LEV for short. This is the point where life expectancy starts going up by more than 1 year for every year that passes. The roadmap to get there is what's known as the hallmarks of aging, basically the 12 root causes of decline that researchers are now targeting directly. Right, so second, how are we actually solving this problem? Well, the biggest breakthrough by far is something called partial epigenetic reprogramming. Think of it like rebooting your cell's operating system. It uses a modified mix of proteins to reset cells to a younger state without erasing their identity. And this is moving fast. Life Biosciences is on track for human trials in 2026 to try and reverse blindness by rejuvenating retinal tissue. And finally, well, the sheer ambition here is creating a massive socioeconomic divide. You've probably heard the immortal billionaire idea, right? It's driven by people like tech entrepreneur Brian Johnson, who spends millions a year just to slow his aging down. This whole trend fuels a global wild west of unregulated clinics offering really expensive, unproven, and frankly risky treatments, which just shows who gets access to the best tools. So, the quest for the elixir of life has shifted from failed alchemy to complex systems engineering. And it's forcing us to ask some profound ethical questions about who gets access when aging becomes just another manageable chronic condition.